Hi everybody, talofa lava, welcome to Pasifika Festival, Samoan Village. We are Pacific Underground, we're from Christchurch, and we'd just like to thank the festival for having us here on the Samoan Village stage. It's a real privilege and honour to be here. Last time we were here was 2006, and we performed in this space, in the same village actually, or the same area, but it's looking a lot different these days. So we performed this show called Island Summer with a 25-piece guitar orchestra for the last few years, but we wanted to just give you a taste of that. We've performed around the Pacific, in Christchurch and Wellington, and this is a taster of what we do, so when you see us next year up here, you'll come to our show. Postanai Mavanga, who's our musical director, arranged these songs. Some of them you'll know, some of them are original. 4 guitars, and as I said, it's a real honour to be here. So thank you very much, and enjoy Pasifika Festival. Here's a song called Island Summer. We wrote this song when we were in Palau about 4 years ago on an island. It's quite awesome. Love an island summer, and Samoan they smile at you. In the middle of an island summer, and Samoan they say talofa to you. In the middle of an island summer, in Palau they always smile at you. In the middle of an island summer, in Palau they say I lead to you. Temperatures rising over my head, the sun and sea they beckon me. For your journey across the ocean, come take a trip and ride with me. And I'll dream that you are here with me on a summer breeze. Island summer, it's in all of us. Come take a ride with me. For your journey across the ocean, come take a rip and fly with me. And I'll dream that you were here with me on a summer breeze. Island summer, it's in all of us. Come take a ride with me. In the middle of an island summer, in summer they always smile with you. Love an island summer, in summer they say talofa to you. In the middle of an island summer, in Palau they always smile at you. In the middle of an island summer, in Palau they say I lead you. Oh, thank you very much.
Can we have a little bit more?